Have you ever wondered if a radar laser system could be integrated seamlessly into your exotic vehicle? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the concealed radar laser system we finished on this McLaren 600LT Spider. Here is the Redenzo radar and AL priority laser jammers, which are universal systems that we customize to seamlessly integrate into each vehicle. Starting with the front of the vehicle, this setup has 3 laser jammers that will prevent a laser gun from obtaining your speed. We fabricated housings for the 3 jammers to aesthetically blend them into the bumper. The front radar detector will alert you police officers ahead. The GPS antennas and radar detector were attached to fabricated brackets. At AutoMods, we use proprietary methods to attach the components to the vehicle without making any holes, so there is no evidence that it was ever there if removed. Disassembly of the front of the vehicle is required to properly mount the components and run the wires along with the factory wires. 3 laser jammers were mounted to the rear of the bumper above the license plate to prevent a laser gun from obtaining your speed from behind. A laser jammer housing was created to hide the jammers behind one lens and to prevent modifying the bumper when mounting and routing the wires for the jammers. This way, there would be no signs that it was ever there if removed. The rear radar will protect you from police threats from behind. A fabricated heat shield was created to mount the rear radar and protect it from the heat of the exhaust. The Redenzo display controller was molded into a fabricated center console panel that was wrapped in matching Alcantara suede. The main components were mounted to a fabricated bracket behind a panel in the passenger footwell, and the wires were shortened and labeled for serviceability. Lastly, we test every system we install with multiple laser guns to make sure everything is working properly. You can see in these clips the gun cannot get a reading. We also designed vehicle-specific skid plates, which are outlined in green in this photo, that protect your bumper without drilling any holes so you can drive worry-free. If you are interested, click on the link in the description below. If you have any questions or want to get in touch with us, the best ways are either by giving us a call or sending an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media so you can keep up to date on all of our latest projects.